How are you? How have you been doing? Welcome again to my YouTube channel. These are Kikuyu lessons with Teacher Martin. I'm grateful for all those who are sending their comments, for all those who have subscribed. I hope that we walk together in this journey up to the end as we continue learning Kikuyu and as we continue even seeing other things that are found in the Kikuyu land. And today we are just going to shake into Kikuyu sounds. And to say that in Kikuyu is Mediomere ya rudhiomi rwa Gikuyu. Mediomere ya rudhiomi rwa Gikuyu. And we are going to start with two sounds. One that replaces fa and va and ba. Okay. If you can recall from the previous lessons on Kikuyu vowels and consonants, we did not have alphabet F and V, and we are going to see how that is substituted in the Kikuyu language. Let's start with the letter B. So, letter B in Kikuyu is pronounced as fa, fa, as if that's just an F for those who know Swahili. So, this one is fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, fe, fo. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, fe, fo. Yeah, you have always to remember that that replaces the sound F and V, for these do not exist in the Kikuyu alphabet. Examples of words that uses fa, that is B and A, or B and E, B and I, B and O, B and U, B and A, B and O, are fa, fa, and fa, fa means father. Fa, fa means father. The other word that we have is fara, fara. Fara, fara. That is road. The other word is furana. Furana, furana. Purofa. So we have fa, fa, fara, fara, and purova. So let's just proceed to the next sound, which is M and B. Adding letter M before B changes the sound completely to what sounds like the English letter B. Let's make these examples. Let's just make these examples. These words here. Yeah. We have the first one. Ba, 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 be, bi, bo, bu, be, bo. Those are the sounds for letter M, B. So when you add M before letter B, it changes its sound from fa to ba. Okay? And examples of words that we can get are be, 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 be. That is maize. Then you can also have BB, BB. Okay, BB are the goat fish parrots. We have another one here. Bear, 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 that is mouse. We have another one here. Bobo, bobo, a palm. And we can also have bosho, beans. Bosho, beans. So those are our first letters. We have fa and ba. Let's proceed to the next. The next sounds are ta and the. Ta and the. Letter T has a sound similar to English word sound for T. Let's practice with below. Ta, te, ti, to, tu, te, to. Ta, te, ti, to, tu, te, to. Those are some of voices that we are going to get from T. So we have words like tata. Tata. Tata means in Kikuyu is auntie, aunt. Tata. Toto, this. Toto, this. So with the help of whoever is teaching you, I told you you are doing for children and for everyone. So with the help of your parent or whoever knows this language, write more words that uses letter T. Let's go to the. Compound the has sound similar to English sound the. I'm at there. Let's practice below. We have the, the, do, the, do. The, the, do, the, do. Example of words are the, face, the, mercy, thani, plate, their, shins. The, face, the, mercy, thani, plate, their, shin. Okay, the shin bones here. Do means, okay, do means enemy. Do yakwa. Do means enemy. Do means enemy. And those are the sounds for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for you who have subscribed. And for you who have not subscribed, I'm still waiting on you to subscribe for this short recording for Kikuyu lessons. For any questions, you can always contact me on 718-317-877, or outside Kenya you can contact me on +254-718-317-877. My email is martinkalali@gmail.com as on the screen. So thank you. May you continue sharing your ideas, and may you continue learning Kikuyu. And if you would like to have your children taught this language, you can always contact me either on WhatsApp or on my email, and we are going to see how we can do that for more customized work. God bless you and have the best time. Bye bye for now, and thank you for watching.